Macintosh here, and on this video I'm actually going to Best Buy, part of the Merchant Customer Exchange, to buy the Netgear Nighthawk with the younger one.
Hi.
Alright, so here we go. There's a derping tablet in here too. Ta-da! So I got the router, and I'm also going to get this case for my Surface because I currently put it in a UPS padded shipping envelope, and that is getting old, so we're going to buy this. Alright, so here we have the Netgear Nighthawk AC1900 Smart Wi-Fi router. Just go through a quick overview of the box here. See that this does have a 1 GHz processor, and this is model R7000. On the back it just talks a little bit about gaming, streaming, and mobile. And the side just kind of gives a little brief overview of the specs. So I'll go ahead and put this down and we'll begin the unboxing. Just remove the plastic wrap there, and here we have the box itself. And we can go ahead and just open it from the bottom here, like that. Here we have the router itself, which I'll put off to the side for now. We have the installation guide right here, the AC adapter right here, the antennas right here, and an Ethernet cable right here. And that is all we have in this box. So now we can go ahead and put the box off to the side. And now we can look at the router itself. So we take it here, go ahead and flip it over. It has a little piece of tape here that says Netflix on it. We can just go ahead and remove that, open it up, and pull the router out. And here we have it. We can go ahead and remove the plastic wrap. Of course, on the plastic wrap is the temporary SSID and password, which I will obviously be changing. That appears to be all of the packaging. We can go through a little close-up look at the router itself. Alright, so right here we have the power LED, the internet connectivity LED, 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, the USB ports, and of course the 4 Ethernet connections, along with Wi-Fi and some other ones. Of course, some of these are buttons, looks like just these two. On the front we have a USB 3.0 port. Of course, on the back here we have the reset button right here, the 4 Ethernet ports right here, the one that you connect to the modem or other internet device, a USB 2.0 port, power port, AC jack, and the little places where the antennas go. So we can go ahead and put this down and take a look at everything else. Right here we have the antennas. We can go ahead and open up these. Here are the 3 antennas right here. They look very nice. I'll set those next to the router. We have the Ethernet cable, which is pretty self-explanatory. And we have the AC adapter, which you can see right here. It does have a little piece of plastic right here, so we'll peel that off. And we have our AC adapter. Also in this package with the user guide, we do have the user guide itself, a thing from eMusic, which I really probably never will read, and the little kind of advertisement thing looks like. Now we'll go ahead and install the antennas. And of course, to install the antennas, it looks like we have to just unscrew these. Alright, the antenna covers have all been removed. Alright, so that was the unboxing of the Netgear Nighthawk. Now we'll go ahead and configure it in the other room. Alright, so here we are in the office, and I'm going to go ahead and remove the old router and just go ahead and install the new router. So we can just come over here and begin unplugging everything. This of course has been a great router, but I no longer need it because I am definitely upgraded. So let's go ahead and put this up here for now, and I'll probably put that on a shelf somewhere. I will go ahead and install the Netgear. Alright, so now the router is in fact running, and I'm going to go ahead and plug in the 4th Ethernet cable and then attach that to my Precision so I can configure it. Now we can go ahead and configure everything. Alright, so now we'll go ahead and open a web browser. Alright, so now that we have opened the web browser, the Netgear Genie has appeared. We're checking the internet connection, and from here we can configure the router. We'll worry about registering that later. Right now we're going to try to go into the router. I will of course change that, but right now I'm going to go ahead and configure my settings. I'll move on from there. Thank you for watching my unboxing and setup video of the Netgear Nighthawk. Please subscribe.